Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get public question papers. First, pinpoint the exact examination board or institution whose papers you need. For instance, if you are preparing for a national exam, identify the governing body. Next, go directly to their official website. Most educational organizations provide a dedicated section for past papers, often labeled Previous Papers, Archives, or Student Resources. This is usually the most reliable starting point for your search. Official websites are your primary resource for authentic question papers. Many boards, like university examination departments or national testing agencies, provide these documents as free PDF downloads. You will often find them organized by exam year, subject, or even specific paper codes. For example, you might find papers from the last 5 to 10 years readily available. Occasionally, you might need to complete a quick, free registration to access the full archive, which is a small step for a wealth of resources. With the trim panel removed, you now have clear access to the radio unit itself. You will notice 4 Torx T20 screws holding the radio firmly in place. Take your Torx T20 screwdriver and carefully loosen and remove each of these 4 screws. It is a good practice to place these small fasteners in a secure, easily accessible spot, like a magnetic tray, to prevent them from getting lost. To maximize your success, employ effective search strategies. When using search engines, be specific. For example, type National Board Exam Mathematics Past Papers. Once downloaded, organize your papers meticulously by subject, year, and paper type, perhaps creating dedicated folders. This systematic approach will save you valuable time. Finally, and crucially, practice solving these papers under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment, helping you manage your time and identify areas needing more focus.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.